Robert Wright's Why Buddhism is True is a bold attempt to bridge Eastern spirituality with Western science. It examines how Buddhist teachings, particularly those found in mindfulness and meditation, resonate with evolutionary psychology, cognitive science, and philosophy. The book begins with the premise that human suffering is rooted in the mind. Wright explains that evolution designed our brains to prioritize survival and reproduction, not happiness. This leads to cravings, dissatisfaction, and distorted perceptions. A central theme is the illusion of self. Buddhism teaches that the self is not fixed or permanent, but a construct. Wright connects this to neuroscience, showing how the brain creates a narrative of self that is often misleading. Another key theme is meditation as insight. Wright emphasizes that mindfulness meditation allows individuals to observe thoughts and emotions without attachment, revealing the impermanent and constructed nature of the self. The book explores major lessons across its chapters. Evolutionary roots of suffering. The brain evolved for survival, not happiness. Illusion of self. Identity is a mental construct, not a fixed reality. Craving and dissatisfaction. Desire leads to suffering, as Buddhism teaches. Meditation as science. Mindfulness reveals how thoughts and emotions arise. No self doctrine. Liberation comes from seeing through the illusion of self. Compassion and wisdom. Buddhist practices foster empathy and clarity. Enlightenment as freedom. Understanding the mind reduces suffering. Practical insights include: practice mindfulness. Observe thoughts without judgment. Challenge cravings. Recognize desire as impermanent. See through self. Question the narrative of identity. Cultivate compassion. Empathy reduces suffering for self and others. Integrate science and spirituality. Use psychology to deepen practice. Wright blends philosophy, psychology, and personal reflection. He draws on evolutionary theory to explain why humans crave, suffer, and struggle, while showing how Buddhist practices address these challenges. Another theme is the universality of suffering. Wright emphasizes that dissatisfaction is not a personal flaw, but a product of evolution. Buddhism offers tools to transcend this. The book also emphasizes the practicality of meditation. Wright insists that mindfulness is not mystical, but a scientifically supported practice that changes brain function and perception. The book closes with a reminder: Buddhism is not about dogma, but about practice. By integrating meditation with scientific understanding, individuals can reduce suffering and live with clarity. At its core, Why Buddhism is True is about integration. It invites readers to see Buddhism not as religion, but as a philosophy and practice validated by science.